Attention homeowners, if you have a sewer pipe that needs repair or replacement, we have the ultimate solution for you. Introducing Formadrain, the 100% no-dig sewer and drain repair system. With the revolutionary Formadrain system, your defective sewer can be totally replaced from start to finish in about 4 hours. With this system, there is no messy digging, no odors or toxins, and the work can be done any time of year and in any weather conditions. Here are 8 powerful reasons why you should take a hard look at Formadrain. 1. Your complete job can be done in a single morning. 2. There is no messy digging or ruining your landscape. 3. Once installed, the new pipe is ready to go in just 45 minutes. 4. Testing proves your new pipe will last 50 years or more. 5. It's a completely green solution, so there are no toxins or odors. 6. There are no joints or weaknesses anywhere in the new pipe. 7. The system repairs cracks, root damage, or even missing sections of pipe. 8. Lower costs of installation mean huge savings for you.